Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the top 5 car cleaning gel of this year. Product 1. Product description: 60 ml Super Dust Clean Clay Dust Keyboard Cleaner Slime Toys Cleaning Gel Car Gel Mud Putty Kit USB for laptop cleanser glue. Product number: 60 ml Cleaning adhesive. Product weight: 50 grams. Box Vegetablegluecleaning Mud. Use water, guar gum and other environmentally friendly health to distribute plant fragrance. Return and refund. 1. You have 7 days to contact us and 30 days to return it from the date received. If the item is in your possession more than 7 days, it will be considered used, and we will not issue a refund or replacement to you. There are no exceptions. Shipping cost is bear by both seller and buyer in half. 2. All returned items must be in the original packaging, and you must provide us with the shipping tracking number, specific reason for the return, and your order ID. 3. We will refund your full winning bid amount. Item in its original condition and packaging, with all components and accessories included, after both buyer and seller cancel the transaction from AliExpress. Or, you may choose to have a replacement. 4. We will bear all the shipping cost if the products are not as advertised. Guarantee 1. 12 months manufacturer's limited warranty for defective items, excluding items damaged and/or misused after receipt. Accessories come with a 3-month warranty. 2. Defective items must be reported and returned within the warranty period and in the original packaging, if possible. You must tell us what the defect is and give us your order number. We do not repair or replace items with an Product 2 features: brand new and high quality. It is convenient and effective. You can use it to clean the keyboard, interior car, laptop, etc. Does not leave residues, keeps your hands clean, has a proven disinfecting action. By pressing the cleaning compound onto the surfaces that you would like to clean, dust and dirt and gaps will be absorbed by the compound. Environmental friendly. Can be used for many times until the cleaning compound turns into dark color. A must for using public computers in a clean and safe way. Ideal for all devices and surfaces. Specifications: name cleaning soft gel color blue yellow green red random. Packing plastic bag fit for universal random color package. Product 3. Specification: type, car cleaning gel weight, 70 grams. Material, soft glue. How to use: 1. Keep your hands dry before using the cleansing gel. 2. Take a piece of cleaning gel and gently knead it a few times. 3. Place it on the surface to be cleaned. 4. Gently squeeze and roll it about 4 to 5 times, then slowly pull it up. Please do not put it on the keyboard for a long time. 5. Close the cleaning gel in the small bag in good time after use. Features: 1. Safe and non-toxic. No trace, no surface damage. Fragrance 2. Does not leave residues, keeps your hands clean, has a proven disinfecting action. 3. By pressing the cleaning compound onto the surfaces that you would like to clean, can effectively absorb dust and dust in the gap, never fly around. 4. Experiments prove that it can effectively kill common bacteria. 5. A must for using public computers in a Product 4. It's brand new and high quality cleaner. This item is suitable for laptop, keyboard, computer screen, TV, game controller, remote control, car, mobile phone, etc. Feature: picks up dust and dirt from computer keyboards, mobile phones and printers. Does not leave residues, keeps your hands clean. By pressing the cleaning compound onto the surfaces that you would like to clean, dust and dirt and gaps will be absorbed by the cleaning gel. Also, it's environmental friendly. Can be used for many times until the cleaning compound turns into dark color. A must for using public computers in a clean and safe way. Ideal for all devices and surfaces. Material: soft rubber. Weight: 160 grams. Please keep the gel in plastic. Product 5. Car cleaning gel slime universal clean mud clay car air vent interior laptop computer keyboard dirt home cleaner glue for slime. Correct use. Step 1. Before use, knead the cleaning gel for 30 seconds to form a soft and flexible shape. Avoid using water. Do not use it to clean clothes, carpets or high temperature objects. Step 2. Apply gel to the surface to be cleaned. Press down, roll 2 to 3 times 3 to 5 seconds, and then pull up slowly. Gel will take away dust, dirt, hair and other debris. Step 3. Fold the adhesive in half, expose a clean side, and continue cleaning. Step 4. When the gel shows signs of discoloration, darkening or soft and viscous texture, replace the gel. Features: universal cleaning and dust absorption gel is made of environmental protection material, natural vegetable gum. It is a biodegradable environmental protection product, safe and non-irritating to skin. Note: the cleaning gel is not edible. Please keep away from the baby, non-adhesive hands and non-breaking. making them more flexible, killing bacteria. Quickly remove 99.99% of harmful particles, dirt, and dust from the surface of keyboards and other devices, leaving no residue. The cleaning gel can be used repeatedly until it is not sticky and becomes opaque. After use, it is put into a packaging bag, sealed and stored in a cool and dry place. Note: do not clean the gel in water. Specifications: name, car cleaning gel weight, 80 grams material, soft adhesive color, blue, yellow, pink size, 170. 110 mm package content. 1 car cleaning gel product description. It can effectively sterilize and easily kill harmful bacteria, such as Escherichia coli, mold and Staphylococcus aureus. Car cleaning gel can clean places that cannot be cleaned, such as computer keyboard, mouse, mobile phone, remote control, and other office supplies, home entertainment products and all related equipment. The car cleaning gel can also be used to clean the car interior, such as the steering wheel, instrument panel, gear. Just place the car cleaning gel on the surface to be cleaned, gently press and roll, and then slowly pull upward. The dirt will be taken away with the mucus. Push the car cleaning gel into any small crack. Press the car vent cleaner, and the dust will be taken away. You can also press the keyboard cleaner gently on the surface of the keyboard and then pull it out slowly. The dust will be taken away by the cleaning gel. Comment. Your satisfaction and positive feedback are very important to us. If you are satisfied with our goods and services, please leave feedback and 5 stars. If you are not satisfied with the product quality and service, please do not rush to confirm receipt and write a bad review.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.